Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brawl Stars test server. First, it's important to understand that the test server isn't always open to everyone. Usually, Supercell provides access to content creators, professional players, and specific community members for early testing. However, there are times when they open up limited public testing phases, often for major updates. Keep an eye on official announcements for these rare opportunities to participate and try out new features before they go live. To increase your chances of getting access, consistently monitor the official Brawl Stars social media channels, like Twitter and YouTube, for any announcements regarding test server availability. Also, regularly check the official Supercell forums and the Brawl Stars Discord server. These platforms are where Supercell typically shares information about upcoming tests, including any application processes or direct download links. Staying engaged with the community is key to not missing out on these opportunities. Many popular Brawl Stars content creators and YouTubers often receive special developer builds directly from Supercell. These builds allow them to showcase new brawlers, game modes, and features to their audience before the official release. It's crucial to remember that these are typically exclusive and not meant for public distribution. Always be cautious and avoid any unofficial websites or links that claim to offer test server downloads, as they are often scams or contain malicious software. Stick to official channels only. If you do gain access to a test server, be prepared for a different experience than the live game. Test servers are often unstable, prone to bugs, and may experience frequent crashes. Your progress, including any brawlers unlocked or trophies gained, will not transfer to your main account. Additionally, test servers are subject to frequent maintenance and resets, sometimes multiple times a week, as developers implement changes and fix issues. It's a testing environment, not a polished game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.